Hello everyone and welcome back to the forge. Now while we wait for the grinder motor to come in so I can get back to working on the chef's knife, we're going to turn our attention to a quick little blacksmithing project. We're going to be forging out a snail today. I'm going to be using this piece of 3/8 inch rebar. You can do it with any different size. I actually have a video here on the channel of doing it with a large 1 inch to 1.5 inch piece of rebar that was more just for fun, but I'm going to show you how to do it with something a little more reasonable today. This is pretty readily available in scrap yards, scrap bins, and so we're going to go ahead and get the forge lit up, get this tossed in there, and get to work. Alright, so that's about as many spirals as I like to go. You'll see at the end when I push it out and make it have more of a 3D look. It'll look better. You can leave it this way if you want to, which is perfectly fine. We're going to move on next to doing the tail portion of the snail. For that, I'm going to come over here to the radiused edge of my anvil. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. I mean, you can measure it, 2.5, 3 inches. Then we're going to go ahead and hammer it right here and knock that groove into the steel, and then we're going to bend it under. That'll form the tail portion of the snail, and then we'll move on to forming the head and the antennas. Alright, now as I bend this, I don't want to bend it perfectly in line with itself. I actually want to bend it somewhat beside. You'll see why later on. Alright. Now with the section back here, we could forge weld that together. We could weld it with a welder. Whatever you decide to do, I'm going to leave it just like this. But whatever you decide to do, is be careful that you don't hammer it too thin, especially if you're not going to forge weld it, because it will break back here. So let's go ahead and get it back in there and get it warmed up. That right there is kind of what we're going for. Alright, so there's our Snail forged out of a scrap piece of rebar. I think it turned out pretty good. I'll be jumping back on the chef's knife project as soon as I get my new motor in for my grinder. But I appreciate you joining me for this little project. Go out to the workshop, get to work, make one for yourself. I appreciate you watching as always. If you would hit that sub button down below, ring the notification bell as well to notify me of this content as it posts. And like I said, I appreciate you very much. You have a good one. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.